Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to our, I shouldn't say the very first, but one of our beginning pre-recorded 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, which means if you're watching this and you haven't seen this before, I take scraps that people send in, I take a 10-minute timer, create a card within that 10 minutes, stamp my information on the back, and I send it back to that person so they get a handmade card from me using the scraps that maybe they weren't sure what to do with or they just had left over. It's a super fun series, and oh my gosh, I don't even know. Is this one? I think this is week 128. If I'm wrong, you'll see it in the title below, but I think it's 128. And this is from Debbie Wallace. It looks a little bit Christmassy, so let's just see a few of the things that we have in there and I'll get started. There's a Merry Christmas tape on the outside that I can use. So it doesn't have to be Christmas, but look at all the fun papers. This one has some tape already on it, and there's some red and some red and greenish. Let's see what else we got. We've got some pieces and parts. Truly scraps, which is awesome. This one says for you. That's cute. And then we've got some, looks like a little bit of twine in green and brown. Couple of flowers. Some white and some green bling. That's pretty. Look at that. Cool. And I made the regular A2 size card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and so this is the one I'm going to use today. And let's get started. Usually there's live chat going on next to me in here, but since this is pre-recorded, there's not going to be any chat going on. Although I wonder if I could set that as a premiere so that you guys could get, maybe you guys could talk to each other during that time. I'll have to think about it. This is the first time. Oh, also, if you're used to watching these on Wednesday nights at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, you're also going to see them on Mondays at 5 p.m. So Mondays and Wednesdays. And then I'll always go at that schedule unless I run out. And if I run out, then the series will either end or I'll wait for more to come in if you guys are still excited about keeping it running. And so yeah, usually there's people chatting on the side, and I don't say a whole lot because I'm focused for that 10 minutes on creating a card, but I may have to do a little talking during these pre-recorded ones. We'll see how it goes. I always start with like a base. I have some of that left, so I might put that on the inside as well. I try to do the insides of the cards too, but that doesn't always happen. Just depends on how things go. So we'll put that on the inside. I love this paper. Love, love. So we're going to cut that down just a little bit smaller. Save a piece for the inside. I might even be able to use this one over here. I'm just eyeballing this to see if I can cut it a little straighter. I don't feel like putting it into the cutter because I can put that on this side, and I thought I would wrap some of these around it. That would be cute. So I'm going to start by taping one side just so I don't have to hold it. You guys have seen my my cards like this that I did in 5 minutes. Leave me a comment below if you've seen them. If you liked them. And I'm going to try to make this kind of not perfectly straight, obviously. It's more interesting when it's not. Whoop. And then I'm going to Actually, I'm going to cut that off and then tape the back again so they stay. And that will be the bit that goes on the front. That's cute. And I should probably cut this down a little bit so we can get that in there as well. Good deal. Put that in there. Looks good. Okay, and this one's going to go on the front, on the side here, so I'm going to put that there. This piece is going here, so let's see, how do I want to put that down? I think I'll use some sticky, double-sided sticky. Probably be our best bet. I'm going to put 2 rows on there just to make darn sure that stays on. Cool. Alrighty. Oh, you know what? I should have put that underneath there. I bet that's not going to go now, is it? Let's see if we can make it go. That would be cute. Just thought of that. Might be able to loop it in there. This is going to take up a bunch of my time. But I don't think it'll fall out. So that's a bonus. Wow, I got it. That's so cool. Yes. I like that. That's neat. See that? So it's underneath there. So cool. I have enough to put in here. Oh, I could definitely do that. It's going to leave some bumps on the card though. Maybe I shouldn't. Okay. Get this brown one on here. I'm going to see, how much of this do I have? Could I make a double bow? Oh yeah, I can make a triple quadruple bow. It's trickier when these are skinnier. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, fun. That's fun. Oh, oops, I don't think it's going to stay tight. No, this is kind of slippery. Let's see, what can we do to make that stay? What if I tie these? going to have to, I don't know what I'm going to have to do to get that to stay on, because I think it's going to fall apart. And I'm running out of time to do some more fun stuff. Alright, I'm just going to put a bunch of glue on it. And then hopefully that glue will hold it together as it dries. And I'll try to put it on the card as we go. Oh, that's cute. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do that lighter side, even though I really wanted to do the darker side, because then I can put the For You on there. Oh, let's pop that up. Now she's falling together. And I have a few seconds left. That stringing that stuff through took way too much of my time. Okay, so I need the For You. I need the little flowers. And then I want to put this guy down on the bottom here. And that's just going to take some time to dry, but I think it'll be okay. And I don't have two sequins. I want to put the green sequins in there, so I'm just going to put one in since that's what I have. Oh, and that is it. I'm going to look for one more green sequin. Yeah, see, I knew I had one. I'm going to use that last sequin here. I always take a little bit of artist, what do you call that? To add maybe one extra thing, but that would ties in all the green. Isn't it cute? And then we have a little bit on the inside that matches. Fun card, Debbie. So if you are not sure, you've not been here before, I take the rest of these little scrappy doos, the ones that I think that are still usable, like these little larger parts. That's a really cute piece. We'll save that. And that little flower. And I put these into a box that I can use for our end of the year crop in the new year. So you want to keep that open for your schedule, especially if you're not the type to go out. Gives you something fun to do, and we do prizes and things. So that's going to go into my owl box to save for that. And then this is going to be, the information will be stamped on the back, and this will be sent back to Debbie Wallace for participating. So thank you, Debbie. If any of you guys, oh, I have an extra piece of paper here too. If any of you guys want to join in on this, there's a description box below. There's a link to the Quality Crafts community group. We'd love to have you. There's no commitment, no drama. Just hang out, be inspired, join in what you want. We have swaps and other things going on there, so we would love to see you. And as always, at qualitycrafts.com is our brand new store. We're having a great grand opening, so double check the date of this video. The grand opening is coming up this Saturday, or this Sunday, the 29th through 29th of March, through the 4th of April, which is the next following Saturday. Sunday to Saturday. So check it out. There's going to be prices up to 50% off of many different things within the store. It's a new website. It looks beautiful. We hope that you will check it out. And until then, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.